current sentiment in the precious metals market is cautiously optimistic with recent price increases. Watch for volatile economic factors which may impact metal prices unpredictably. Investing in platinum and palladium may yield significant returns as they are poised to catch up in market dynamics. Investors should closely monitor market trends and consider diversifying their portfolios with undervalued metals. Ladies and gents, this is pre-market and gold is trading at $4,100 and silver is sitting at $59, close to $60. Gold set for weekly loss as US-Iran tensions fuel rate hike fears. Silver set to end volatile week lower. Gold gains over 1%. Focus turns to Middle East tensions. You see how things change? Hence, we have to keep ourselves at the edge at every given point. Current price of silver as of Friday, July 10th. The price of silver is a key indicator for both investors and traders in the precious metals market. Its fluctuations can significantly affect market sentiments and investment strategies. Golden Prospect Precious Metals appoints Baker Steel as manager. This strategic move indicates a shift in management aimed at improving investment strategies and portfolio management in the precious metal sector, which can enhance investor confidence. NYMEX, precious metals prices up. The uptick in precious metal prices reflects market trends that influence investment and trading within the sector, making it a relevant update for investors. Gold and silver forecast. Are precious metals near a major turning point? Understanding potential turning points in precious metal prices is crucial for investors, as these shifts can lead to substantial profit opportunities or risks. Emerging signals. Platinum and palladium have been left behind in the precious metals rally. As demand for these metals increases, strategic investments might yield higher returns. Market dynamics may shift, rendering them attractive to investors. Who would have known? If you look at this chart, this is platinum. All-time high was $2,883, and right now it's sitting at $1,600. If you're trading in the commodities market, maybe pay attention to platinum and palladium just for diversification purposes. I don't see why not. Makes sense to me. Now, keeping that aside, let's just talk about gold and silver overall. The market sentiment is currently mixed, with geopolitical tensions affecting demand for gold and silver as investors reassess their portfolios. Geopolitical tensions, specifically regarding the US-Iran situation, pose a significant risk to precious metal prices in the near term. If you watched my previous video where I talked about gold and silver dipping to 3,600 or 500 whatsoever, it wasn't just me saying it. It's basically the data and some of the big players. And we could be wrong because, again, there's a lot of manipulation and market dynamics change real quick. Just like what you've seen in the geopolitical tensions. We thought that we are making a peace deal, and all of a sudden we have this clash. Emerging interest in silver and copper indicates a shift that investors can capitalize on through diversification. Copper is another one. So we have gold, silver, copper, palladium, and platinum. Top 5. Investors are advised to closely monitor geopolitical developments and consider diversifying into silver and copper to mitigate risks. Top headlines. Silver gold producer posts 3.4 million ounce quarter as Peru expansion and Mexico ramp up drive growth. This growth reflects the increasing demand for precious metals and highlights the importance of regional expansions for maintaining production levels amidst fluctuating market conditions. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, I would encourage you to do so. In the upcoming days, I will also discuss some of the miners and picks, and I will analyze them through the scanner. I'll give you all the numbers and metrics so you know if it's a strong buy, sell, hold, etc. Stay tuned for that. Gold, silver prices fall as US-Iran tensions lift dollar. This shift in market dynamics has led to a lower demand for precious metals as a safe haven investment. Investors are closely watching geopolitical developments which could impact market stability and the lure of gold and silver. So in a nutshell, US and Iran are dictating the trajectory of gold and silver in the near term. Pay attention to the words. Near term is going to be very volatile. And all of these are latest news 3 hours ago, 9 hours ago. Gold and silver price forecast. Weaker dollar drives rebound as breakout nears. Gold rebounds, silver soars as easing oil, softer dollar lift metals. 18 hours ago. And guess what? Oil is creeping up again. You see how the dynamic changes? This upward movement in precious metals may attract more investors seeking stability amid fluctuating commodity markets. The interplay between oil prices and currency strength is crucial in shaping market expectations for gold and silver. Monetary policy decisions can significantly alter gold and silver market dynamics. Traders and investors need to remain vigilant to adapt their strategies in response to central bank decisions. Emerging signals. Silver and copper are outpacing gold in 2026. This trend could be a signal for investors to consider diversifying their portfolios. As industrial demand grows, precious metals may experience more volatility, but also potential for higher returns. And before I end, yes, copper is actually mooning. It's close to all-time high. Out of all the metal, silver, gold, platinum, palladium, and copper seems to be close to its all-time high. Something to pay attention to. Ladies and gents, this is all I have in the grid report today. I hope you found this useful. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.